How to let nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker or earbuds on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top. From the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Now go down and tap on connected devices. In here, we go down and tap on music share. Tap on the left hand side panel. At the top, tap on the toggle button to turn on music share. Then we go down and then in here, tap on share devices with and choose contacts only or everyone. If your friends is in your contact list, you can select contacts only. If they are not on the contacts list, you can choose everyone. And that's it. So that is how you can let friends share music to your Bluetooth speakers or your earbuds. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.